So I want to bring in a couple climatologists. Dr. Jeff Masters, come on in, and Dr. Heidi Cullen, who are two climatologists talking about this. And you guys have read the new report. Any surprises out of this?
No, I mean, only that we're more confident than ever that it's real, it's human caused, and it's urgent.
It's urgent. And so what do you think we can do to reverse this? Because it's what, 25 years from now, we're going to reach that breaking point of 4 degrees warmer than we were in 1900?
That's right. At the current pace we're at, which is kind of the most extreme case that they considered, yeah, in another 20 or 30 years, we're going to blow past the dangerous point of warming of the climate, which we think is about 3.6 Fahrenheit over pre-industrial levels.
You know, I had a panel last night, and you were on it, Dr. Cullen, talking about what we need to do. And we talk about the simple things that we can do on an everyday basis. But in order to make sure we don't get to that breaking point, apparently it's going up to the government. How can we get them to make changes? Are they going to make change? I mean, it's been so tough with anything these days, right?
Well, I think the key really is to give our leaders permission to lead on the issue, and what we're seeing now is coordination at the federal level. The EPA is already talking about regulations for power plant emissions, reducing carbon dioxide. So, I mean, I think that we're beginning to see some really strong signs of action.
And would you agree with that?
That's right. I mean, Obama gave a landmark speech this summer talking about climate change for the first time in his administration, and I thought that was a hopeful sign.
I mean, he gives a speech, but it's the action that, you know, I'm really concerned about. And once we get to that breaking point, what does that even mean for viewers watching? What really does that breaking point mean?
More extreme weather.
I mean, we've been seeing a lot of extreme weather the past few years. Yeah, that's the sign of the future.
But can you relate that? A lot of people say, oh, look, we have the flooding in Colorado, that's climate change. We had Sandy, it's climate change. We can't really definitively say that, right, guys?
Oh, we can absolutely say that we can already observe more extreme weather, more heat extremes, more rainfall extremes. So we're seeing it already.